Hey everybody, what is up? It is Mr. Canada National, and I'm here at the train and bus station waiting for a eastbound train to come in. They got a eastbound train that's going to be approaching here. Got a green light on down there. Yeah, so I don't know where he's at, how long it's been on, but when he gets here, I will get him. So until then, I will be talking to you. Yeah, here comes the eastbound train, people. I had to wait for a long time for him. I missed him at the other spot. $32.50. Well, everybody, hope all of you enjoyed this train video here with Mr. Canada National. And if you did, can you go thumbs up? Hit that thumbs up button. Can you do that? When you do that, it will bring people here to my channel. Also, if you're new and you came along this train video, hey, hit that subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel. Hey, also hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload a train video, you will be notified about it. But this was filmed on Thursday, May the 9th, 2024. Until my next video, they call me Mr. Canada National, and this train video's over. Have a good one. Thanks for watching.